Your biggest concern when you get a hair transplant is your hairline. So today we will talk about it. My name is Sami, hair transplant and medical tourism expert talking to you from Istanbul. To put you and the clinic on the same page, I'm telling you how the clinic or what the rules the clinics use to give you the best hairline possible. First one is your forehead muscles. After the doctor take your name and age, he will ask you to raise your eyebrows to see these muscles and the line of the muscles. Then he will be able to decide where to locate your new hairline. We cannot implant hair over these muscles for a lot of reasons. First of all, maybe it will not grow normally, and if it grows, when you have any impression on your face and you like move your muscles here, your hair will move, and this is a little bit comic. So the first rule is to implant over the muscles of the forehead. The second rule is your age. Drawing a hairline for a male between 25 to 35 is completely different than a 45 to 55 patient. With younger ages, we can give a little bit more straight hairline to give them the more natural hairline for their age. But maybe with older ages, we try to give more curves on the sides to imitate the normal receding of a hairline by age. The third rule is the supply of the donor area with the area of the baldness. If you have big baldness and limited supply of donor area, we have to make it higher. The hairline will be a little bit high to minimize the area we need to implant and give you best or better density and distribution of the grafts. And the last rule is not to make it a straight hairline. Natural hairline normally is irregular with a zigzag, so that's what the clinic should do. It's okay to have a little bit differences between the right and the left side of the hairline, 1 or 2 millimeters, it's okay. And the most important thing is to implant single hair grafts in the front row of the hairline. This will give you the closer natural look to the people who didn't get a hair transplant. And before you judge the result, you need at least to wait 6 months so you can judge the hairline, and the judgment will be taken by people who doesn't know about hair transplant and didn't see you before. So that's how you know if your hairline is good or not, because for me, if you have the best hairline ever in the best clinic ever, I will know you had a hair transplant because I am in this sector. So you cannot take the judgment of people who did already hair transplant or they are interested in this topic. So you have to see people who are not involved in hair transplant, so you can know if your hairline is natural or not. That's all I wanted to talk about today. If you want me to give you estimation for your hairline, where should be done, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will leave the WhatsApp number in the description below. You can follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. Thank you and see you next time.